Why is the price of the Honda cars is higher in Malaysia compared to Thailand? A video recently went viral on social media, highlighting the significant price difference between the Honda City in Malaysia and Thailand. While both countries produce the model locally, the Malaysian version is noticeably more expensive. Why does a locally assembled car cost so much more in Malaysia compared to Thailand? Now, we'll dive into the factors behind this price gap, including price comparisons, government tax structures, incentives, and economic influences on the automotive industries in both countries. Although the Honda City is locally assembled in both Malaysia and Thailand, there's a striking price difference across similar variants. Here's a comparison of the latest Honda car prices in Malaysia and Thailand for several popular models, based on data available as of May 2025. In summary, Honda vehicles tend to be slightly more affordable in Thailand, especially for entry-segment car that are mostly driven by majority in Malaysian road. As we can see, the rest of the Malaysian lineup costs considerably more. What's behind this price gap? One of the biggest reasons behind the pricing difference lies in how each country taxes vehicles. In Malaysia, several layers of taxes apply to vehicles, even those assembled locally, CKD. Import duty for CBU model is at 30% and CKD model is 10%. Excise duty is based on engine capacity and vehicle type, which varies from 60% to 105%. Their sales tax, SST, is at 10%. These taxes can easily double the base cost of a car, even if it's locally assembled, resulting in significantly higher retail prices for consumers. Thailand, on the other hand, takes a more investor and consumer-friendly approach, particularly for fuel-efficient and eco-friendly vehicles. They have an eco-car program whereby their excise duty is as low as 12% to 14%. They also have EV incentive program whereby government subsidies up to 150,000 baht, approximately 20,000, that is mandatory for local car manufacturer to qualify. With lighter tax burdens and robust government incentives, Thailand maintains competitive car prices even for advanced variants. Beyond taxes, several other factors contribute to the price difference. Though both countries have local Honda assembly plants, costs related to labor, materials, and logistics vary. Thailand benefits from a more experienced and larger automotive workforce, which can help reduce per-unit production costs. Thailand also is a major automotive manufacturing hub in ASEAN. With larger production volumes, manufacturers enjoy economies of scale, lowering the average cost per car. Malaysia still adopts protectionist policies to support local carmakers like Proton and Perodua. These policies include high taxes on foreign brands, even those assembled locally, to give local brands a pricing advantage. In contrast, Thailand has liberalized its auto industry, welcoming foreign investment and offering tax reliefs to stimulate production and exports. The price difference of the Honda cars between Malaysia and Thailand isn't just a matter of corporate pricing, but it's rooted in government policies, tax structures, and industrial strategies. Malaysia's current automotive policy still prioritizes protecting national brands through higher taxes, while Thailand takes a more open and incentive-driven approach to attract global automakers and boost consumer affordability. While this reality may frustrate Malaysian consumers, understanding these deeper reasons sheds light on broader economic policies and may prompt discussion on the future direction of Malaysia's automotive strategy.